In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this awesome calculator called the Omni Calculator to calculate your profits, or you can use this for projections of numbers or anything like that. It actually has in the search bar or the search area, if I type in student loan payment calculator, it actually will give me an estimate if I owe $40,000 or if I owe $50,000. It's going to give me kind of more of an estimate of the payback period and then the interest rate based on interest rate I put in there. And then it's really, really cool to do. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to really grow your bank account. And this part right here can really grow your bank account, because you can actually use this as calculating your profits or calculating information that's going to help your bank account or even your branding. So, okay, let me go ahead and dive into the content. Thank you for liking this video. Right below the video, I do have the link to the Omni Calculator, so you can go ahead and dive into exactly what I'm about to show you here. So, if I type in sales calculator, let's say we're just looking at sales calculating our profit. Now, the price here, let's say I'm a salesperson, and I'm selling something that's $197, right? Okay, and if I say, okay, per month, I need to sell 20 of them. If I sell 20 of them, then my revenue, hold on, I'm gonna go back to 20. My revenue would be $3,940 per month. So if I'm selling something 197 product or service, I have a projection exactly, what my revenue would be. I can change this to weekly or per day. This is per week. That means revenue, I'm getting $906 per week off $197 product, or per year, $47,280, which is really, really cool to do. I really, really like this. Let me stop this real quick. Okay, let me stop that ad there, the little bit advertising there. So let me look at this. Let me try it again. Let's something was $97, and let's say I'm doing it per week of this. So I sold 4.5 of them, 4.5 of them per week. Then my revenue will be $446.16, or $23,280. This is really cool to do, because if I'm a salesman online, or if you got your own product or your course, or if you got, like, we're trying to build a bank account, so this channel is all about building your bank account, building your brand, just those two things really, is that, okay, now I want to really grow my bank account, I want to start selling things, then I can use the Omni Calculator to really project what's going to happen. So I can say, let's say I'm selling something for $49, right? And the product or service or whatever is per day. Or better yet, let's go back to per month again. Okay, I'm going to sell, I need to sell, because I need to produce 25 of these things. That's $281 per week. Or if we do by month, that's $1,225. So I need to sell 25 of these things for $49 to get that. Now, this not include the necessary commission. So if you're doing something in commission based, then you need to go ahead and calculate a little bit more. So you need to probably already at that number already, the percentage of your commission. So, something like that. So let's say $49, but I get half of that. Let's say it's $50, right? So that means, let's say I get half of that. So I could literally say, okay, $25, because remember, I get half of $50. Let's say that's my commission. So I'm basically telling myself it's really $25. You could do that. And so it's $25. I need to sell $25 of these products to get $625. Or if my revenue goal is $1,000, if I say my revenue goal is $1,000, then this would definitely change. Then that means I need to sell 40 of those products to get the $1,000. 40 of those products, which is about $25 commission, and then I'll get $1,000 of my revenue. So I really, really like this. So the Omni Calculator has a sales calculator, and it does have a net calculator here, and net sales as well. Okay, the net sales is down here. The net sales is here, so we have the net sales is right down there. It shows me the net. But the Omni Calculator also have other things as well. I really like about it. It also has the sales calculator, has the profit one. If you look using a profit calculator, if you're trying to calculate certain things. So, instance, if I did something for $2,000, and it's going to project 1 unit, and if I say selling price was $2,500, just make an example. So look at this, it automatically calculates the profit. 1 unit, $2,000, revenue $2,500. I just made an example, and total profit was $500. So just made an example that, you know, you can use as a profit calculator as well. And then, you know, you can use it from different things. I really love the Omni Calculator. I've been using it for a while, and I wanted to share with you this because I understand that, you know, 2021, we're doing new things, a lot of numbers being crunched. You know, people are taking new jobs or new opportunities, new businesses, and they need something can calculate something really quickly, especially if you're trying to grow something. And let's say here, look at this. Look at all this. Salary calculator. Check it out. Salary calculator. Same thing. You got a new job. You know, I need to see exactly how much I'll be paid. So let's say you get paid per hour. So I get paid $20 an hour. I work 8 hours per day. I work 5 days per week. And I'll just leave everything in here. And check this out. The amount I earn is this, you know, in an hour, $25 an hour, holiday adjusted. They even have the holiday adjusted on here, and it breaks it down in hour, in a day, in a week, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, in a month. Look at all this. And basically, all it starts from here at the top. So this is kind of like the salary calculator. Here's another one here, especially if you're taking a new job, you're just trying to wonder exactly what your salary could be. Now, this is actually gross. Actually, maybe a net one down here as well. But let me check here. I get paid per every 2 weeks, which is usually the standard, and I get paid $2,000. And I work that many hours. This is how much money you'll be receiving down there. So the salary calculator is really cool. There's some information over here if you want to know exactly how to calculate it in a different level. And then all you do is go right to this search box, and I have the link below. Click on the link below to get access to the Omni Calculator, so you can start calculating different types of things. And I just like it. I mean, it's so many different things. But the sales calculator is what I've been really using the mostly lately, because if I'm selling something for, you know, $50, you know, I can really calculate exactly how much I need for my goals. So if I want to say I want, you know, $5,000 a month from this, then that means I need to sell 100 of this per month. And it doesn't seem that bad. Once you see the numbers in front of you, it doesn't really seem that bad when you're trying to hit any type of goals. It doesn't seem that bad. So when you're looking at something like this, you're like, okay, it's $50 and I only need 100. I need to sell 100 of this to get $5,000. Or I need to sell, my goal is 2,000. I only need to sell 40 of this. So it's not really that bad. Actually, it's pretty good. And what I like about it as well, it has table of contents information over to the right to help you really get more dive and deep into the gross sales versus the net sales and the things like that. So, and you can take advantage of this cost to be deducted. So you can say, you know, the stuff that be deducted, you can say, you can go even a step farther. You know, you can do that. And of course, your net sales and things like that. Let's say out of that money, some of that money is for something else. So you need that money already calculated. So you can take advantage of this here, cost to be deducted to pay for something else, or is being calculated. You can take advantage of this whole entire calculator. So guys, or you, I'm just talking to you right now, is take advantage of this Omni Calculator. Start calculating your profits, start calculating your projections, start calculating your assets, start calculating your salary. Use this Omni Calculator, the Omni Calculator, to go ahead and start doing this today, to start growing your bank account, because then when I have a projection and a goal, that can help grow my bank account or help grow my brand as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because it's the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. You know what time it is. We're going to go ahead and sign out and click on the link below to get started with this. And also right below this video, I do have a link where you can start investing on the Gemini exchange, a free account where you can start investing today. Use this calculator and use that investment link to start building your bank account. All right, I'll see you on the next video.